Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start Python Python programming tutorial for beginners. This tutorial is designed for software programmers who need to learn Python programming language from scratch. Prerequisite for this tutorial is basic understanding of computer programming terminologies. A basic understanding of any programming language is a plus. So this video is a quick overview of Python programming, Python programming language. So let's start. What is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. It is used for server-side web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, etc. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server on a server to create web applications. It can be used alongside software to create workflows. It can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. It can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It has a simple syntax similar to English language. It has syntax that allows developer to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. It runs on interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. It can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python syntax. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with the influence from mathematics. It uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to the other programming languages which often uses semicolons or parentheses. It relies on indentation using whitespace to define scope such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly bracket for this purpose. So this is a very quick overview of Python programming languages, and that's it for this video. We'll install Python and started coding with from next video. And so please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification every time I upload a new video on the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So that's all for now. See you in the next video.